Fortunate is the man who does not follow the advice of the wicked, nor lingers in the path of sinners, nor sits in the assembly of the impious, but finds joy in the law of the Lord, and meditates on it day and night. He is like a tree planted by the water's edge, that yields its fruit in due season, and whose leaves never wither. Everything he does shall prosper. It is not so with the wicked. They are like chaff that the wind blows away. Therefore the wicked will not prevail in judgment, nor sinners in the assembly of the righteous. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked leads to